You know what time it is? It is D Life time. We're about to get into the Passive D Life Express. I made my own intro, you see, because that's the way it go. Ha! Welcome to the Passive D Life Express. This is D Life, your skipper on board. It's a wonderful day. Today is a phenomenal day. I don't really, I, yes, I know baked beans might not be the best miner, but guess what? I still hit a climax. I've been in this miner for the past 12 weeks, going on 13 weeks. It's still here. We haven't had no issues. Yes, the rewards are low, but you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. I am still excited and I'm happy to preview this to my channel to hopefully you guys will be proud of me, even though you may not be in baked beans. But if you are a baked beans fan, make sure leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Make sure always stay safe because this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. DYOR. I am going to hit 100 million? No, a billion beans today on baked beans. I'm hoping it, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed because this is live. This is a quick baked beans update. I hope now that we've hit a billion, we will be able to get some better rewards. We've been in the double digits right now, 0.00. So I'm hoping now we can take off one of these zeros now that we have hit a good position in there. And I hope that baked beans will stay around and we will rally back one day to that 35,000 BNB like what we had before 2 months ago, 3 months ago. So let's jump in to my baked beans 1 billion beans celebration. I made it. And always leave a comment if you are on baked beans. I would really like to know if there's anybody else out there who is still in baked beans and still talking about it and still even adding or keeping up with the compounding and just supporting that miner. Let's jump in. So 2,495 BNB is in the baked beans contract. I have 843 million beans. Right now I have 0.00 BNB in rewards. So this is quick. This is easy. All we do is just come on over here, close our eyes, and let the drum roll and let the fox do its thing. Here we go. Crew members and passengers, the moment of truth. T-Life about to hit 1 billion beans. Will he hit it with 0.003 in BNB in rewards and paying a gas fee of 0.004? Is it possible? Here it goes. Today is a great day. A lot of exciting things are happening today. 1 billion beans. Stay tuned. Make sure I click the bell because another video is coming and that is another exciting one. Here we go. Boom. Moment of truth. Bam! 1.17 billion beans for D-Life. Here, let me make sure. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 commas. This would be 1, 2, 3. Right here. Wait a minute. What am I doing? This would be 8 million. This would be 78 million, 178 million. Now 1.1 billion. So 1.1 billion beans and on the way to 10 billion beans and even beyond until we could take off all of these zeros and hopefully make it to 0.1 BNB a day in here and even more as this miner stays around, and as long as the people don't drain the contract, all of the other actors, all the other influencers, all the other normal OCs, make sure, let's do what we gotta do to keep baked beans alive. It's still one of my favorite miners. I enjoyed the hype. I enjoyed jumping in, putting in my 0.05 BNB back then. I think it was. We can always run back to that old video. It'll be up into the cards when I first got into it. So this is kind of like a little, not anniversary, but of course another celebration video, just like what we did in the Animal Farm. So Got a lot of celebration videos coming up, hitting those numbers that I've been talking about. If you've been following the channel and wanting to get to, and finally making it there, we have done it. 1 billion beans in baked beans. This is D Life. Leave a comment, leave a subscribe, click the like, share the video if you like baked beans with your other baked beaners, and make sure stay safe. Over and out.